Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka. So today I'm gonna share a review of Fabbag. Also I'm gonna share the products, whatever products I have got in their bag. So without talking too much, let's quickly jump in. Let me tell you what is a Fabbag. It is a kind of you can say a subscription box, or you can say subscription bags, in which you will get a bunch of products. There's a lot of kind of subscriptions, just like 1 month subscription, 3 month subscription, 6 and 12 month subscription. It is totally depend upon you what kind of subscription you will opt for yourself. So basically whatever subscription you will opt, you will have to pay that particular amount of that subscription, and in that you will get a bunch of products in which you will get some skincare or some cosmetics products. Against a good opportunity to try out some new products or new brand, you can say. There is a lot of brands we even don't know about that, or so I think it's a great deal to grab some products also, to try out some new products. So, and the starting cost of this subscription is $5.99, which will valid for 1 month. And if you go for a 3 month subscription or something, some different subscription, then the price also goes increase. If you are new, then you can try out 1 month subscription. If you will like the subscription box, then you will go for another one, because in the 1 month subscription you will get about 4 to 5 products, very good and decent amount. Or I think you will pay $5.99, but you will get the product somewhere around 1000 to 1500. So basically, which is a good deal. This is the very first time where I'm trying this kind of subscription boxes, because I never ever tried out any kind of subscription box or bag, you can say. So this is my first time where I got my Aprilfabbag. So let me show you my Fabbag. Look like this. So in this bag I got a 5 to 6 products, which is an amazing products. And if you are wondering what kind of makeup I have done over here, so I have done this makeup by using only these products, whatever I have got in this bag. So, and if you are wondering about this tutorial, so soon I will upload the tutorial also on my channel. So please stay tuned me on my channel, and I'm very excited to share the products whatever I got in this bag. So you can see how many products I have got. So firstly, I have got this beautiful organic harvest neem face wash. It looks like this. Is an Indian brand. It is made in India, and this brand is an amazing brand. I face my wash with this face wash. So second product, I have got this Kiara Cosmetic Vitamin Tree Skin Mattifying Soothing Sorbet. It is a kind of gel which will leaves your skin mattifying. Just like my skin is oily, so it is beneficial for my skin. And I have also used this gel onto my skin before applying my makeup. So this is one of the best product, and it is a full size product, and this is also a full size product, so which is a very good thing about this product. Then third, I have got the soap company India Midnight Love Body Collagen. I guess it's a kind of body mist, and its fragrance is okayish kind of. Not I'm saying that a very good kind of fragrance or a bad fragrance, but it is a okayish kind of fragrance, so you can use it in a daily use. Then fourth product, I have got this Bio UV Water Essence, in which it includes SPF 50 plus, PA+++++. So it is a kind of watery essence which will gives your SPF protection also in front of the sun. If you go want to go outside, then you can use it as a sunscreen also. Its formula is watery, as you can see. But it is a kind of travel size, but it's okay for me. It comes in this kind of pouch package. So here's my fifth product, which is a sheet mask. So this is a Palmer coconut oil formula with vitamin E coconut charcoal detoxifying sheet mask. It is a very good mask, so I am looking forward to use this one. Definitely I will share my story or my reel on my Instagram, so please do not forget to follow me on my Instagram. I will share my Instagram handle on over the screen. So here's a star of the show. It means a Sugar Cosmetics lipstick, and it is a newly launched lipstick in which I get a 09 shade. It's a bullet lipstick, and it is a 6th product. Can you imagine 6 products? And its number is 09 Lasso Keeper. as let me show you the swatch of this lipstick. Wow, such a beautiful shade. And it's a, you know, creamy matte lipstick, or it's not a properly red or not a proper orange. It is somewhere around between the red or orange. You can say coral red or rustic red, like this. Here I'm applying this lipstick on my lips. Also I'm used this lipstick as a liner too, so I have draw a liner by using this lipstick only. And lastly, a seventh product which I got again by the brand Sugar Cosmetics. It is a sugar all set to go banana powder, and this is a damn amazing product. It's a, you know, bonus product for me, as I have you know, get a subscription box, so I got this as a free. So this is an amazing product, guys. Literally, as in my tutorial, makeup tutorial, I have didn't apply any kind of BBCC cream or a foundation or any kind of cream. I didn't apply on my face. I directly apply this powder only in a little quantity. So this is an amazing product, I must say. I will highly recommend you all this product. So yeah guys, that's it for all with this products, and I'm very happy to get this box. And I will highly recommend you all to try out at least for 1 month subscription. And if you like the subscription for 1 month, then you will go for a 3 month or 6 month or 12 month. It's totally depend upon you or your choices. Yeah guys, if you found this video helpful, so please do not forget to like my video. Also share it with your friends, family and relatives. Also please do not forget to subscribe my channel. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe right now, and also hit the bell icon, so whenever I will upload in my new video, you will get notification about that. So we'll meet you soon in my next video. Till that, bye bye, take care, love you all.